ultimate yard care tool is finally here. Toro's Ultra Blower Vac. The Ultra is 3 tools in 1, with the power and performance to take on any size cleanup job. Its powerful blower moves air at a force of up to 235 miles per hour, with variable speeds to give you total control over both blowing and vacuuming. You can fine-tune the airflow to fit the job with Toro's specialized blower attachments. Use the main blower tube to move debris away from houses and shrubs. Add the specialized power insert to create windrows or blow wet, heavy leaves. Or insert the concentrator to clean out cracks and edging. The Ultra is easy to switch from blower to vacuum mode. The quick-release latch makes conversion a breeze. No tools required. The powerful vacuum makes it easy to remove leaves and other debris. Its unique fan design improves flow rate and reduces clogging for better performance. Shredding capability is second to none. The Ultra features a metal impeller with a serrated magnesium blade that turns your leaves into fine mulch, reducing up to 16 bags of leaves to 1. When the job is done, attach the cord storage hook and wrap up your extension cord so your blower will be ready to go the next time you need it. The Toro Ultra Blower Vac. It's the ultimate tool to make yard cleanup easy. Performance you can count on. Only from Toro.